jungle.
Story Collection YouTube channel presents morning news. Good morning. March to Manipur CM's house spoiled, 22 injured. US envoys not to travel to Pakistan says Trump. AAP to seek disqualification of its MPs who defeated to BJP's calls move illegal. Modi sparks wars of words with Mamata. KCA's daughters launch new party Telangana Rashtra Sena. Israel flies sought to under 40 from Mizoram amid war scare. Kejriwal spent private money on official house. BJP's AAP terms it fake. Outer Northeast District emerged and outlier on quick POCSO convictions. Two more people were injured in the arrest in Electoral district when armed vehicles of paramilitary force rammed the barricades put up by local Talwi village. People in the Naga majority district have been protesting the inaction against Kuki armed group allegedly behind attack on Naga civilians. The Working Committee of the Tangkul Naga Long and NFX community-based organization said that the condition of one of the injured was critical. The village women had set up the barricades to fix vehicles in the light of the ongoing Kuki Naga violence in part of district. Another Naga organization, the Voice of the Naga Youth, accused the paramilitary Assam Rifles assisting, shielding and transporting and providing military uniform to Kuki extremists who attacked Naga village near Mulam village in Ukhrul district on Friday. With around 2.5 million youth appearing for the Home Guard recruitment examination, Uttar Pradesh, which started on Saturdays, leading to rush at the bus station and exam centers in multiple districts. The opposition said the high number of aspirants for a lower grade government job shows the kind of unemployment that they are facing under the Bharatiya Janata Party-led BJP government. Aditya, a specialized complex dedicated to the manufacturing high-speed rail, was inaugurated by the Ashwin Vaishnav Minister for Railway on BIML's Ifasandra campus in Bengaluru on Saturday. The newly inaugurated Aditya complex is currently designed for the development of courses for B28, which is India's first indigenous high-speed electronic bullet train set. It is designed to run at speed up to 280 km per hour. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman on Saturday urged the Securities and Exchange Board of India (SEBI) to be ready to meet the emerging challenges, more especially cybersecurity challenges. A single successful cyber attack on a major exchange, depository, clearing corporation or large broker could disrupt market at national scale, erase wealth and sack public confidence in ways that take years to rebuild. She said AI-led tools are making cyber attack faster, more adaptive, scalable, and even in some cases more autonomous in execution. The tools of attacks are evolving highly speed and the tools of defense must evolve even faster, she said at the 38th Foundation Day program of SEBI in Mumbai. Amid pressure on supplies of urea and fertilizer due to the escalation tensions in West Asia, a possible mitigation of these shortages through coal gasification still seems distant, according to sector experts. According to them, very few coal gasification projects have so far scaled to an advanced stage. US President Donald Trump said on Saturday he had ordered his envoy not to travel to Pakistan to continue talk with Israel officials on ending war. The Aam Aadmi Party AAP Saturday said it would seek the disqualification of the 7 Rajya Sabha members who broke up from the party, calling the move unconstitutional and illegal. Addressing a press conference near the AAP leader, Rajya Sabha member Sanjay Singh said he would write to the Rajya Sabha chairman citing the 10th schedule and demanding termination of their membership, arguing even a two-thirds split holds no legal validity under the anti-defection law. The anti-defection law clearly states that no form of split is permissible in the Assembly, Rajya Sabha or the Lok Sabha. It has no legal recognition and this has also been clearly established in the Shiv Sena case, he said. Prime Minister Narendra Modi comments calling Kolkata's premier education institute, Zadavdar University JU, a hotbed of anarchy during the poll campaign have spurred a massive politics row amid the assembly election. Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee was quick to defend the university and its students and call it democracy in motion. Claiming that the parties that led to the statute movement, the Telangana Rashtriya Samiti, TRS has lost its soul after being renamed the Bharat Rashtriya Samiti BRS. Former BRS leader Kalbakunda Kavita on Saturday announced the launch of a new political party, the Telangana Rashtriya Sena. Delhi Public Works Department PW Minister Praveshab Singh on Saturday alleged that the private money was spent to finish Aam Aadmi Party AAP chief Arvind Kejriwal's newly allotted official residence at Lodi Estate, describing it as a Sis Maha 2. AAP dismissed the claim as a fact and threatened to file a defamation case against Mr. Singh. Addressing at a press conference at the BJP headquarters, Mr. Singh allowed what he claimed were pictures of type 7 bungalow at 95 Lodi Estate allotted to MPP National Convener following court order. Delhi witnessed 3 fire incidents Saturday and 1 on Friday night, but no casualties were reported. In the early hours, a major fire broke out in Lakshmi Nagar Singh near Ramesh Park, engulfing 14 flats. Officials said the fire originated in a transformer and spread to 3 adjacent buildings. 14 fire tenders were deployed and 14 residents were rescued. And now, the news in details. More than 30 people were injured after protesters attempting to march to the official residence of Manipur Chief Minister Yumnan Khamsang, saying clashes with security personnel on Saturday. The protesters were seeking the arrest of those involved in the April 7 bomb attack that killed 2 children in Visnupur district from Laubi. The protesters took out procession from all directions in a bid to converse at the Chief Minister's bungalow in the Bahupura area of state capital Imphal. The security personnel routed their march in the Kurai Lamlong area of Imphal East District, about 2 kilometers from Chief Minister's residence. The security personnel dispersed hundreds of protesters mobilized by the Imphal Valley West Coordinating Committee on Manipur Integrity Kokomi by firing tear gas shell when they tried to break through the security barricades. Eyewitnesses said at least 22 people injured in the clash were admitted to the hospital. The protest march was the outcome of the April 25th deadline set by Kokomi, a conglomerate of Meitei civil society organization for the state governments, to arrest all the involved in the April 7 bomb attack. Kokomi had earlier announced the boycott of the ruling BJP. The protesters, however, marched to hold rally near the iconic Kangla Fort, where the Kokomi leaders addressed the people. Later, the authorities allowed some leaders of the nation to meet the